Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking more about the origins behind All Souls and All Saints Day here in Mexico. If you need more information, in the descriptive box below there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com if you wish to purchase any of the books in the best-selling series on San Miguel de Allende's secrets. Before the coming of Catholic conquistadors, San Miguel de Allende's indigenous were accustomed to living with death as a constant companion. The Chichimeca, the tribes of hunter-gatherers, believed the spirits of the dead remained among the living, to be acknowledged through song, dance, and food. This cult of ancestor worship was deeply rooted in Mesoamerica. Consequently, the morphing of All Saints' Day, All Souls' Day, and Day of the Dead into pre-existing practices was an easier one. It was customary for the indigenous to celebrate children who died during pregnancy. For example, the Aztecs referred to October 31st as the Day of the Unborn Children. When the Spanish arrived, November 1st became All Saints' Day. On this day, every saint is honored. Halloween costumes were originally based solely on saints. In addition to saints, the souls of dead children, those considered to have lived pure and innocent lives, are celebrated. November 2nd is All Souls' Day, the day set aside for the departed faithful, particularly those the living invite back for a visit. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get automatic notifications of the near daily new videos that come out here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.